Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get max-level dinos in Ark Ultimate Survivor Edition. First, it's crucial to understand that wild dinos have a maximum level, often 150 on official servers, but this can vary. Server settings directly impact these levels, so checking your server's difficulty is key. We'll explore effective strategies for locating these powerful creatures, ensuring you start with the best possible base for your tribe. Getting a high-level wild tame is the first step to true dino power. To find those elusive high-level dinos, focus your search in areas known for better spawns, like specific biomes or regions on the map. Always carry a spyglass to quickly identify a creature's level from a safe distance. A powerful technique is to clear out low-level dinos in an area. This forces new creatures to spawn, increasing your chances of a high-level one appearing. Persistence and patience are your best tools here. Once you've found a high-level dino, taming effectiveness is paramount. A perfect tame can grant up to 74 bonus levels, significantly boosting its stats right away. Beyond taming, breeding is your path to even stronger creatures. Mate two high-level parents to combine their best stats and potentially create offspring with even higher base levels. Don't forget to imprint baby dinos for substantial stat increases and a rider bonus. After taming, the journey to max level continues. Utilize experience buffs like Explorer Notes, Broth of Enlightenment, or event bonuses to accelerate your dino's leveling process. Engaging in challenging activities such as boss fights, alpha creature hunting, or cave exploration provides massive experience points. Remember, a well-leveled dino is a formidable asset. Also, for making meal prep easy, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help you out.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.